Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is warning Jamaicans to refrain from sharing pictures of patients and other confidential health records with the public. This after a picture of Dr. Tufton in a gown at Port Antonio Hospital began circulating on social media. During a tour of Spanish Town Hospital today, he explained what happened.
There was a friend who had a health emergency, and in assisting the friend, I had to remove my shirt to give a relative of that friend to enter the A&E who never had on a shirt. And the nurse gave me one of the surgical gowns to put on, to put on at that time. Somebody clearly took a picture of me in the A&E with the surgical gown, and of course the rest is history.
Dr. Tufton stressed that persons have to be mindful of the health policies which govern public health facilities.
Patients' circumstances and situations are confidential, and it's something we need to discourage, and we really need to re-emphasize that to the public, but also to staff members within our health facilities. And I believe we may have to work through the boards of the regional health authorities to say that this is not something that is allowed. But as it relates to me and the fact that people are making fun of me, I mean, that's neither here nor there. But the more fundamental point is important.